everyone, my name is Faye Smith. I'm the owner and lead stylist of Faye Smith Agency. We're a makeup and hair artist team located all across Canada, and I'm here today to show you a little bridal hair accessory trick. So a question that I get asked a lot when working with brides in particular is how am I going to have my veil or hair accessory secured if I want to wear my hair all down? And that is a completely valid point, because you do need to secure the hair accessory to something. So I'm going to show you today a little trick on how you can do that and make sure that that veil is not going to slide out of your all down hairstyle. Alright, so let's say that we're talking about a veil. We want to pop the veil in around about here. So what I'm going to do is actually section off the hair about where I want the veil to go, veil or hair accessory. I'm putting it in the center of the head here to be able to show you both a veil or a hair accessory, because with a veil you always wear it in the back of the center. You would never wear it anywhere else. But with an accessory you could do this on the side too if you wish. So I'm just going to section off another row here. And this doesn't have to be perfect by any means. I'm just going to pop a clip down here to section off this hair. And what I'm going to be doing is just putting in a tiny little braid that goes along here for our veil to sit in. I'm going to have her push her head over for me. And I'm just doing a really tight French braid, almost like a little cornrow in here. I'm going to tie it off, and tie it off as close to the scalp as you can so that this stays nice and flush. Okay, cool. Unclip everything, and I always like to give the crown a little bit of a back comb here for some nice volume. And then your veil or your accessory, depending on what you're using, just feel where that braid is, and it just securely slides right in. You can pick up the crown a little here, and now it is securely anchored and you do not need any bobby pins. Okay guys, so this is how to properly secure a veil or a hair accessory into an all down hairstyle using a secret hidden braid underneath the hair. If you have more questions about bridal hairstyling, just drop me some comments. I will also have a full updo hairstyling workshop coming for you guys online soon, so stay tuned. And for now, I will say goodbye.